Are you going down the stairs? You're going up the stairs. Hi, Mango. What are you doing now? I love you too. Oh, you're at the bottom of the staircase. You're spinning the mirror. That's what you like to do. You like to spin the mirror. Very nice. Let's see who's in the mirror. Who's in the mirror? Of course, Mango's in the mirror. That's your own reflection. Isn't that a handsome boy? Isn't that a handsome boy? I think he is handsome. Want to give him a kiss? Want to give yourself a kiss? You're spinning the mirror. Yes, Mango's a lefty. You always spin the mirror with your left foot. You do that very well. And what else can you do besides spinning the mirror? You just like to look at yourself today, huh? Yes, you like to look at yourself. And you do that very well. Give yourself a kiss. A kiss, kiss. Okay, I'll leave you be, Mango. You like to play with the mirror. Hi, Mango. You're looking at the clock. You're looking over the edge. What do you see? Oh, yes, you're on the table. You're on the table, baby. This is the first time you've been on the table. And you're 15 months old. You see your reflection, huh? Who's that handsome boy there? Who's that handsome boy? That's Mango. Yes, that's Mango. That's a handsome boy right there.